Today, we are going to draw Pete the cat. Okay? But not just Pete the cat, just the cat. No, we're going to draw Pete the cat skateboarding and Pete the cat surfing. Okay? Alright. Alright, yeah, I know, right? Okay, so let's start. This is very exciting, okay? Alright, here we go. Let's start with Pete the cat's head. Okay?
He's a cat.
He's a cat, so, but we're gonna draw on the right, okay? On the right, near the top. On the right, near the top, okay? Watch first, okay? Charlotte, watch first, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start with this side of his head, okay? That's the right side of his head, very good. Now we're gonna draw his ear. Halfway down, we'll have a curve. Okay, then we're gonna draw this side here. Okay, this is gonna come straight down. We'll extend this a little bit longer, okay? On the chin over here, okay, we're gonna connect with two lines. Okay, so we're gonna draw one from left to right. Stop in the middle. Okay? And then pick up your pencil. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna go to the right. And then we're gonna draw his little mouth, his little triangle. He's happy, okay? And then his eyes are really, really big. He has cat eyes. So we're gonna draw in two parts. Okay, we're gonna do the curve on top. Okay, curve on top. Okay, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the right, curve on top, all the way to the end, okay? Now we're gonna draw the bottom. So the bottom is a bigger curve, okay? It's a bigger, so watch first, okay? Watch. Big curve. You see how big that is? Big curve, okay? All right, so that's his eyes. It's half a circle, okay? Half a circle. Just half, yes, the bottom half. There you go. And then there's a small circle on the inside. Okay? You color the outside circle. Okay, you color this one. The small one is white. Color this circle. Okay? Very small neck here. Very small, okay? Okay, and then we're gonna draw a straight line to here. Draw his leg, his neck is here. Hey, look over here. Okay, and then one leg is here, okay? He's on a skateboard. Okay, watch. Try to watch. Are you watching?
Yep.
Okay, so I need to make mine a little bit longer. Okay, so from here, you're gonna draw a line, and it's gonna go up halfway, okay? This is his body. His other leg. Okay, and then here. So we're gonna draw his shoes, okay? He wears shoes. Okay, but we'll do that later. Let's draw his body first. Then we're gonna draw one more leg here. One more leg here. Okay. So this one's gonna come up. Okay, not all the way, and then this is gonna be his tail. Okay. So his tail, we're gonna draw from this, watch, it curls up, and it's a little curl, okay? Charlotte, watching? Watch. Because we have to do this, and then follow it back to connect. These shoes are in the front, so we're gonna draw these first, okay? Okay, watch.
That looks silly.
Okay?
Ooh, nice fancy shoes.
And this one, same shoes, it's on the other side. All right, and now you're gonna draw the back of the shoes, but you're gonna draw this one first. Which one are we drawing first? No, we're drawing this one first. Okay. And the shoes, the front of the shoes is a shell. So we're gonna do this. He's wearing Converse, okay?
What's Converse?
Converse is a brand of shoes, okay? And then we'll draw shoelaces on there. So shoelaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're going to connect it here. Watch. Connect it to the front of his shoe. Okay, so those are his Converse. Okay, and then we're going to draw his skateboard, okay? Very cool.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Fancy.
Yes. So I'm going to curve up. Put under his shoes. And go back up and curve down.
Ooh.
And in the middle, we're going to connect it, okay? This is the back, the other side of the skateboard. Okay. Now we're going to draw the wheels on the skateboard. So we got one on here in the back. One on the other side, in the back. One in the front. And one on the other side in the front. Okay? That's Pete the cat skateboarding.
Oh, he does not wear helmets.
Okay, he needs to get a helmet, okay? We'll draw a helmet next time. No helmet this time. I don't know how to draw a cat helmet. Alright, now we're gonna draw Pete the cat surfing. Okay, this is fun. This is very fun. Okay?
Can we draw the waves?
We will draw the waves. So wait, watch. We're gonna start here with his head, okay? We're gonna do a curve like this. His ears, okay? Ears. A little bit longer. Just a little bit. Yep, perfect. And then we're gonna draw his side of his face. Okay? And then we're gonna connect. Remember in the middle, we stop halfway, okay?
Yeah, I know. I remember.
Alright, and then we're gonna draw his mouth. Little mouth is very excited about surfing. Okay? And then we're gonna do his eyes. Remember his eyes, right? Little
So
curve. The curve is smaller on top, okay? The bottom curve is much bigger, okay? Watch. Big curve on the bottom. Now he's surfing to the right, so he's looking to the right. So we're gonna draw his eye here. Okay? Okay. So he is actually standing on the surfboard. So I'm going to draw his body like this. Okay. His arms. One is going to the front. Okay. And his other hand, he's balancing, so he's going to the back, okay? Back, like this. Back, like this. No kicking, okay? And then his hand, thumb, okay? We'll draw his legs. His legs are just like his arms, right? He's balancing, so we got one leg up here. And then we got one leg is bent, okay? So pay attention, okay? Bent leg. Bent leg. He is surfing, okay? And then I'm gonna draw the surfboard, okay? The surfboard is like this. He's standing on the surfboard. He's standing on the surfboard. Goes behind him. Here. Okay, surfboard. And he has a stripe on the surfboard. The surfboard, okay? Okay. The waves are coming, right? Here's the cool part. Gonna do the waves, okay? So the wave goes like this. It's on the bottom of his. Okay. And then the bottom here, we're gonna draw a line here, okay? Watch. ocean.
It creates
So from here, you're gonna curve down. Yep. Go curve, and then come down here, to the front. Good job. And then we can add a line here. This is the surface of the water. Okay. So go ahead and add a line here to the front. Okay.
Do some clouds.
That's Peter Cat. Yeah, you can color in clouds later. Okay. Now we're gonna.
Draw clouds.
You're gonna draw clouds. Okay. Right now we're gonna color. Okay.